Hey Giuseppe, instead of responding to you in email, I think I'll just make a video for you. So, your first problem is on the homepage column when I try to copy and paste the Black Studio TinyMC, the application doesn't work anymore. Alright, and if we get rid of this and we put in the Black Studio TinyMCE, we can see that it does work. So this is fine, it does work. All you have to do is type, press save, and it would work. But I think the problem you're having is that it works, but you're not actually seeing it on your homepage. So let's open up your homepage. And we can see that we don't see it on the left side here. We don't see a sidebar. We just see a full width page. And that's because if we go to edit page here, you can see that you changed the template, from a full width page. But let's do page template 2, because this template has a sidebar on the left. So let's update it. And if we go to view it, we can see that our sidebar is there. Okay? And if we want to, we can drag this Black Studio TinyMCE, put it in that sidebar. See, that's page sidebar 2. That's the same as page template 2. Okay? If you chose page template 3, then you would need to do page sidebar 3 and change that one. Okay, and then we can see that we can save it, and we can refresh this, and we can see that we have an extra widget that says hey, hello. So that is working, and we could just delete it though, since we're not going to put that in there. And you can see that our menu is here into this page sidebar 2. So in this page template 2, here's our menu. Alright, so now that we have the menu back, and this is the page, this is the sidebar, what's next on the list? How do you control the menu on the left side? Okay, I think I showed you that just right now, but the menu on the left side is in the sidebar 2, and that's set up by this page template 2. And in there is the page sidebar 2. So this sidebar goes with this template, this page template. Alright, I hope that makes sense. Also, how you make the menus work is you go to under Appearance, Menus, and you have two menus. You have the main menu right here, and that's all along here. That's the main menu. And then you have the left navigation, which is on the sidebar menu, which is here. And you can add any pages or move these around or do whatever you want to this menu. See, the store, residential, commercial, store, residential, commercial. Okay? So that's how you do that. The gallery page doesn't work anymore. Okay. So let's make sure that's the case. And that is the case. So let's see what's wrong with it. So the first thing we want to do is look at the pages, and I see that there's one in the trash, and that's gallery. I don't know why that was thrown away, but let's restore it. Okay, and now let's look. And the settings weren't saved for some reason. Probably because it was thrown in the trash for some reason. Page. But let's go back to our gallery. And we need to set this not as page template 4, because that's wrong. We need to set it as the portfolio page. And click update. And once we do that, we can then look at the gallery page. And now we need to reassign the section for the portfolio. So we go to the Udesign, and then in the portfolio section we need to select uncategorized and click Save Changes. Why this page was thrown away, I don't know. But now we can see all of the portfolio images. Okay. All right. Try not to delete that page. Okay, so aligning the home page pictures. Let's try that. So let's go to our home page. And here's the pictures, and we click Edit Page. And we see our thing here. Let's click on one of the pictures and click this thing. And then we can align it left, right, or center. So let's align it left and click Update. And click Update. Make sure this is page template 2. And click on View Page. Now we can see that this is on the left side. And that's on the right side. Let's say you want it to link to a gallery page. Let's click the gallery and copy this. Okay, now we click this, click here again, and in the link URL, let's paste that in and click Update. Let's click Update. Now let's go back to the home page, and when we click this, it goes straight to our portfolio. Alright. When you try to copy and paste a video, you can't get it to work. Okay, so let's go to YouTube. And once we do that, we can click Share. And then click Embed. And now we can copy this. And you may need to change the width and height so it fits inside your box, but let's just copy it. Let's go back to our widgets. And let's do the bottom one, or bottom 2. We will put in the black Studio Tiny MCE, and we'll go to HTML and we paste it in, and we click Save. And when we go back to the home page, back to our store, we refresh, and we see that the video is in there. Okay? And the last thing I think you wanted to know is how to make links. So that's very easy. The first thing you do is you get whatever link you want to make. let's say you wanted this Forno Classico right here to be a link. So you want to link to the About Us page. So first you go to About, and you copy this whole URL. Then you go back to your home page and you click Edit. Now we just go like this right here, and we click this link button. We highlight it, click the link button. We paste it, and we press Add Link, and then press Update. Now when we go back to our brick oven store, we can see that this is a link. You may want to make it a different color in the Udesign options, but when you click on it, it goes to the About. So I think that's it for now. Let me know if you need any more help.